everyone. Thank you for joining us for our dinosaur fossil activity. Today with me, I have my two assistants, Mr. T-Rex and baby Stegosaurus. Very good. For this activity, you will need 2 cups of flour, a cup of salt, and 1 cup of warm water. Children, make sure that you have your parents assisting you with the warm water. And of course, you will also need some
dinosaurs.
Some dinosaur toys. The library was giving out some dinosaur toys, so I hope you had a chance to pick some up. If you don't have any, that's okay. You can use any plastic toys you have at home to make your fossil, or you can go outside and pick up a leaf or anything else you like and use those to do the imprints. So the most important thing is just practicing how to do the imprints, and those become your fossils. Now that we have all of our supplies, we are ready to get started. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and begin the mixing process. What we'll do is we're gonna have T-Rex help us with the flour. Go ahead and pour it into the bowl. Very good. Baby Stegosaurus, do you wanna pour it into the salt?
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Very good. And now we have our lukewarm water. Go ahead and take that and pour it in. Very good. And so we can go ahead and stir.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to stir? Okay, go ahead and stir. What you can also do now is you can get your hands in. And parents, if you can help your children with this part, that would be great. Once we have the dough flat, you can use a cup to make shapes similar to the size of a cookie. You should have enough dough to create 6 to 12 fossils. Once they've cut out the little circles, what you can do is you can go ahead and give them one and take the dinosaur figurine. They can go ahead and start developing their own fossils. What dinosaur is this?
It's not a dinosaur, it's a marine reptile called the Plesiosaurus.
Very nice. Okay, did you go ahead? Are you done with your imprint of the Plesiosaurus?
Look.
You are? Very nice. So this is the Plesiosaurus fossil that we've created. We have completed our fossil making portion of this activity. We're gonna go ahead and put this into the oven and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bake the dough in the oven at 200 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. Then flip them face down and place it back in the oven for another 1 to 2 hours or until it's fully cooked. Each oven varies, so bake longer if you feel necessary. Once the fossils are out of the oven and cool down, we are ready to bury them in the dirt. Once you've completed burying all the fossils into the dirt or sand, please invite your children outside to uncover the fossils using their small shovels and brushes.
Now that I digged up the fossils, I'm gonna examine them to see which ones they are. Okay, let me start with the first one. I'm finished. Now this looks like a triceratops, but it's not. It has one horn. See? A match.
What dinosaur is it then?
Stegosaurus. And Stegosaurus are a little fast too. They're part of the Triceratops family. I'm going off to the next one. Paleontologists are very unusual at finding fossils, and I know just what this is. Even though it looks like a T-Rex, it's not that guy. It's the biggest dinosaur ever, the Giganotosaurus. It's the biggest predator of the dino family, even though it looks like a T-Rex. Too big to be that. That's it for our activity. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Bye!